What's up, traders? I'm going to show you why in this video the first hour of the stock market open is so important. So let's come over first of all to the Edgefield data. So let's go to this report called the Opening Candle Continuation Report. What this report basically tells us is if the first hour is bullish, how often are we going to close the day as a bullish closing day and vice versa for the short. So we're having a look at NVIDIA in the last 6 months. If that first hour, so from 9:30 a.m. Eastern time until 10:30 a.m. Eastern time is a bullish first hour, meaning that price opened at 180 and closed at 185. So it's bullish in the first hour. We have a 75% chance of closing as a bullish closing day and vice versa for the shorts. If that first hour is a bearish closing first hour, we have a 77% chance of closing for a bearish closing day. Now we can come over to some other stocks like AMD, right? Let's have a look at AMD, how this has performed in the last 6 months. And this data is all coming through Edgefield, 73 and 77, all right? Let's go to Palantir. Let's wait for it to load. There we go, 79 and 69, right? So as you can see, I think a lot of traders, if they use data in their favor, they would actually be able to make much more sound data-driven decisions. I spoke a little bit about why I love trading the indexes and stocks. They provide a lot more opportunity. But this data also, because the stock market has a specific opening hour, the stock market opens at 9:30 a.m. and closes at 4 p.m. Eastern time every single day. So wherever you're on that world, do the time change difference. And that's what it is, right? So let's go over to Tesla and actually have a look on this. So if we open up the Tesla chart here, while we wait for it to load, I want to show you how you can actually measure that. And Edgefield actually has a few indicators that you can check out on their website that actually will plot that first hour, if it is a bullish closing first hour or not. But as you can see over here, this is Tesla from last week, Friday. Okay, we're just waiting for a couple of the indicators to load. Basically, if price opened over here, right, and closed up here after the first hour, okay, so we want to be looking for longs in the rest of the day. You want to be fading that move. And the same can be said for Thursday's close. Thursday opened over here and closed down over here. We want to be looking for shorts the rest of the session. So don't look to fade that first hour move. Trade in line with it, trade in line with the data, and make good sound trading decisions. I'll check you.